Welcome to another episode of Gen 5 Restomods. Today's episode, which is kind of a bonus round, is on Sunday. Got a call from a couple of guys down the hill it's actually called Riverside Mill, which is an old steel mill, and they're doing a Gen 4 swap into a 1977 Scout. So they got a long ways, or they say, we'll find out what it looks like, and they need some help with the electrical. So we're going to go help them. Let's see what's going on.
All right, yeah. So
okay.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we're ready to go. Okay, so this is a version of, we'll call this one Gen 4 Restomod instead of Gen 5. So go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Brian.
Hey, what's up, Ian?
Okay, Ian called me today and says, hey man, help. So we have a 20, the engine? 2013 6.0 silver, it's 5.3 truck motor with a 6L80, and we're putting it in a 1977 International Harvester Scout, and we have four-wheel drive. So tell me, how did you do the transfer case?
Oh, wow.
Go for it.
Yeah, it's MB241C. Made it up to the 6L80. Kind of went in there pretty well, and it's got a passenger side drop since that's what we got in here stock. We went that route, and yeah, we got pretty much everything plumbed up underneath, up top. Found David on Craigslist, and came out here and found out of the multitude of green wires, there's a white wire that we can use.
Yeah, so we had to run down the starter solenoid, which we didn't quite have it the first time, but we ripped the dash apart, and then we scabbaged the horn relay, which is the main circuit that goes to the starter, which,
77.
Here we go, 1977, which is something that some of these earlier trucks did, that they ran the power through the horn relay and then back into the system. So we bypassed that. We did a jumper, and then we got the starter working. And we don't have it running because the fuel pump, we haven't got the fuel pump squared away. So once we get the fuel pump going, then we'll have a running vehicle. So yeah, a couple hours, and you should be back. You should be able to fire it up.
Yeah.
So where are you guys going first? What's the first stop?
I don't know.
You're just gonna head east.
Gas station.
You're gonna I mean when you go back, you head east.
Probably Montana. Probably just follow the freeway all the way through.
Yeah.
Down into Chicago, and then hit Detroit, and then go back up to upstate New York, where I live.
Whew. Man, that's a roll.
Yep.
That's a roll.
In 4 weeks.
In 4 weeks.
Okay, well make sure you send some pics and videos, and we'll post them.
Oh yeah.
Will do, man.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.